He met more than 2 million people personally, converts with them. He personally visited, as we have come to your occasion today, 3.5 lakh in his lifetime. He was a one-man organization, one-man army. Why I narrated this to you? That because he had the balance of work and spirituality in life, he was always at peace with himself and peace in the surrounding. Balance of materialism and spirituality. When he was asked which thought remains with you 24/7, he said, the thought that has never entered my mind. Shall I tell it first? And that was more interesting. And he said, the thought of hurting anybody physically, mentally or emotionally has never entered my mind. किसी का अहित हो मेरे जीवन में कभी वो विचार नहीं आया. This is spirituality. आप तो जानने की कोशिश करते हो कि मेरे जो कॉम्पिटिटर है उसके पास क्लाइंट्स कितने हैं, कौन कौन क्लाइंट्स उसके पास जाते हैं, और वो जो क्लाइंट है उसके पास तो पहुंचने के लिए मेरे पास एक मिडल मैन है. आई कैन टेल हिम दैट यू कैन कम टू मी, नॉट टू हिम. थोड़ी अंतर्दृष्टि करना, उसके हिसाब से, उसके नसीब से, उसकी पढ़ाई से, उसके काम से वो कुछ कमा रहा है. He is living his life by your education, your know-how, your experience, your dignity. You work and you earn. Simple. One thought of spirituality can balance your life. There are hundreds of such thoughts which can balance your life well. So CA is not just a chartered accountant, he is a careful analyst of life, CA. So for balance of life, to make a good balance sheet of life at the end of your life, I take seminars with professionals and I teach them a system that I have devised out of my reading and experiences and traveling all the world and meeting professionals. Every second day I'm talking to professionals at some of the other place. I've devised a theory that 8 plus 8 plus 8 is the system for balance sheet in life. Of the 24 hours that you have in your life every day, it should be well distributed into 8 plus 8 plus 8 system. आपको प्रवचन में और कोई बातें याद ना रहे तो ये एक बात घर लेके जाना. 8 plus 8 plus 8. First 8 hours of the day, your honest, ethical hard work in your profession. First 8 hours of the day is your honest, ethical hard work in your profession. Second 8 hours is a good sleep or rest. Third 8 hours are very important. If you're not able to manage the third 8 hours of the day, you may lose your life. And if you can well manage the third 8 hours of the day, you can well win your life. The third 8 hours of the day, we teach, it is 3F, 3H and 3S. 3F is family, friends and faith. 3H is health, hygiene and hobby. And 3S is your soul, service and smile. These 9 departments should consume the third 8 hours of the day. Of course in fragments. If you can well distribute your day into 8 plus 8 plus 8 system, it is a good balance sheet of life. A good balance sheet of day and thus your life. Again I repeat, the third 8 hours are 3F, 3H and 3S. 3F is family, friends and faith. 3H is health, hygiene, hobby. 3S is soul, service and smile. Into these 9 departments you distribute your third 8 hours of time and it is a balanced life, well lived. So you don't have complaints from any quarters of life, from any people in your life. Because you have lived a balanced life. You have given even enough time apart from your profession to your family, to your friends, to your faith, to your health, to your hygiene, to your hobby, to your services, any NGO or any good cause of the society that you are involved with. So well distribution of time, well balance of time, that can give you a good balance sheet of life. वरना कंपनीज या प्रोफेशनल्स की जो आप बैलेंस शीट बनाते हो पैसे की, अपनी लाइफ की बनानी बहुत जरूरी है. अदरवाइज यू विल रिपेंट एट द एंड ऑफ योर लाइफ. मुगल सम्राट औरंगजेब बोले सारी जिंदगानी फिजूल गई। नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट बोले आई हैवंट सीन 6 हैप्पी डेज इन माय लाइफ। तो ये बारी आपकी न आए एट द एज ऑफ 70 और 80, इसके लिए ये बात और विचार है। And I sometimes jokingly say that the amount of money that is in your bank account when you die is the extra work you did you shouldn't have done. आपको जरूरत नहीं थी, क्योंकि आपके मरने के बाद वो पैसे कहां जाएंगे, कैसे जाएंगे, किस तरह से यूज होगा, वो आपको तो पता है नहीं। So now in America, Millionaires and Billionaires Club has started. The basic criteria for membership in this club is that you have to pledge and donate 80% of all your wealth. Only then you become the member of this club. और उसमें thousands of people हैं. Because the power of money is in giving, not accumulating. To understand this basics of spirituality gives you a balance sheet of life. बैलेंस शीट ऑफ योर लाइफ अगर आपने अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस की तो एक दिन बिगड़ सकती है। अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिस करके आपने किसी की बैलेंस शीट तो सुधार दी, लेकिन आपके जीवन की बैलेंस शीट बिगड़ जाएगी। बिकॉज यू हैव चीटेड विथ योर कॉन्साइंस। चीटेड विथ द एक्सचेकर वो तो बात की बात है। You have cheated your own conscience because with your own hands and own mind you have done something wrong. An unethical practice will land you nowhere. आपकी बैलेंस शीट बिगड़ जाएगी। Remember, no pillow is as soft as a clear conscience. आप रात को सोते वक्त सबसे अच्छा पिलो कौन सा है आपके लिए? A clear conscience that I have not done anything wrong today. And if you do something wrong, you are into the animal phylum, not the human phylum. And unethical practices की तो आपकी balance sheet of life जरूर बिगड़ सकती है। Even if the name of your company is Satyam and you go for asatya practices, you can be in jail for 7 years. A man of 8,000 crores. Let's step up. Even if you are the Sahara of thousands of families by creating homes for them, you can still lie Besahara in Tihar for 4 years. Hayana, a man of 20,000 crores. Even if you are the king of the skies, you have to leave India without an Indian passport, on a diplomatic passport. आएंगे जनाब थोड़े दिन में वापस भारत में। एक्स्ट्राडिशन की बात चल रही है, लंदन कोर्ट ने ऑलमोस्ट डिसीजन दे दिया है। एंड व्हेन he'll come here and open his mouth, lot many people can be in trouble. Yes or no? So even if you are Raju or Raja or king or anybody, unethical practices can land you in jail. Unethical practices can ruin your career and your life. And the stress that comes in because of unethical practices, when you are caught, your balance sheet of life is spoiled permanently. You will lose your career, you will lose your practice, you will lose your life, you will lose your family. So थोड़ा प्रॉफिट मिले उससे आनंद में रहना, लेकिन एथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस कभी छोड़ना मत। That is your lifeline. Even if you are after becoming an electrical engineer, for example, 30 years of practice with the Maharashtra Electricity Board, you don't have the right to put your finger inside the plug. आप प्लग के सामने बैठ के अपनी उंगली दिखाओगे कि आई एम द चेयरमैन ऑफ द महाराष्ट्र इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बोर्ड, 35 years of distribution of electricity under my belt, and I am the absolute power authority. This is my finger. ये कह के भी आप प्लग में अंदर उंगली डालोगे, electricity doesn't know your post, position and power. It only knows human flesh and blood. चिपका देगी, मर जाओगे। उसी तरह एथिकल अनएथिकल जो प्रैक्टिसेस हैं वो आपकी पोस्ट पोजीशन पावर को नहीं पहचानती। आई एम अ चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट प्रैक्टिसिंग इन मुंबई सिंस 40 years, whoever you are. Unethical practices is like electricity. It doesn't know your position and power. चिपका देगी, मर जाओगे. Am I right or wrong? I'm asking the elders. Absolutely right. They have years of experience sitting in the front and leading from the front.